Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we got another package delivered and it's for the M3, so let's take a look at what it is. It's from ECS Tuning. Let's grab a razor blade. Let's see what we got here. Alright, let's see what we picked up here. Alright, first off we got the vent for the hood. That's the hood vent. Got that. We got the windshield cowl. You can see that's the windshield cowl. This here are for the front windows, the sills for the front window. We got one either rear window or front window windshield. That's the molding for either the windshield or the back window, and this is the other windshield or back window. And then we have for the back window sills to put on. All that is provided by ECS Tuning. That's all we got right now. I'll have some videos installing all this once I get around to it. As you can see, I haven't installed anything on the car. It's sitting right there. But this is everything. This is everything so far. I'm going to be doing all this myself. Maybe not the windshield and the these rubbers. I'm not sure yet. I'll see how hard that is. And we got that. Oh, we also picked up the motor for the rear window. I got these from a junkyard. I think they were about 17 bucks or so. I pulled them off of a BMW E46. That was at the junkyard. So this is it. This is the haul. So that's it. That's the haul. We're gonna be installing all those soon. I'll have some videos up. Like, share, subscribe. See you guys on the next video.